Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got some great stuff to show you. We're going to be looking at amazing inventions that other engineers have made. Yeah, I'm just moving off everybody else's content here. We're going to be looking at some recent inventions that have blown my mind, and I think they're going to do the same to you. So, let's look at it. First up, we have stuff made here's, what do you even call them? Oh yeah, he called them like Inspector Gadget shoes. Like, you know, he just rockets up, but they're like these, he took like the extendable poles from like an extendable portable ladder, and he cut off all the little holes in it, and he basically made them airtight so we could pump air into them, and he basically made pneumatic rocket boots so we could dunk on a 16-foot basketball goal, which, by the way, is higher than the actual regulation height, so yeah, overkill. I love that he uses all these different builds that he makes to basically cheat at sports. I just find that interesting, I don't know why. I love the persistence that he goes through. He there's this one set of parts that's 3D printed. He goes, the connectors for the poles, and he goes through like 3 whole sets of them, and he's like going through all these resources. But he doesn't give up, he keeps going. I love that kind of persistence. I like that he, once he sets his mind on something, he's not gonna give up. He's just gonna keep going until he reaches that goal. And you can go check out his video and see for yourself, but I think it's pretty awesome, and it's one of his best builds yet. Now this one's kind of old news, but I still like to talk about it. Smarter Every Day's supersonic baseball cannon. I mean, wow. Another thing, again, with pneumatics, except on a much larger scale, you have no idea all the complexity. I have no idea all the complex things they do, and they have to, Destin and his team, they have so many materials, so many things they have to put together. They spend so long working on that project. It's like, I don't know, I'd say easily it took years. I'm not so sure how long. You can check out the video to figure it out, but I mean, I watch a video and it's like months before that thing is actually released. And they're like, here's a thing we're working on, and it's only like a tiny little section of the cannon, and I see the actual video, and I realize there's so much that goes into this project, and I love how Destin uses the power of mathematics to measure just exactly how fast. It's, as you guys by the title, supersonic. It's over Mach 1, so over the speed of sound. I just think it's truly remarkable that you can literally launch a baseball so fast. Again, cheating at sports, and literally shatter through like 9 baseball gloves. He goes through really satisfying stuff like a can of mayonnaise and a giant jar of sprinkles, silly putty. Anyway, yeah, there's so much that goes into this, so much testing. I just think it's a really great example of a really remarkable project. Something I think that's very remarkable about Mark Rober's giant t-shirt cannon is that it wasn't really him that did all the work. He enlisted the help of this kid who had gotten on the news. He's like an engineering genius. He does all this testing and all this building by himself. It's crazy the kind of stuff that he builds. You can, if you want to see for yourself what actually got him on the news, you can check out Mark Rober's video. It's really great. I enjoyed it. I've watched it more than once. Anyway, here's the story. Mark's friend Jimmy Kimmel asks him to make something for him. He wants him to make a giant t-shirt cannon to be used and to launch t-shirts at the Jimmy Kimmel Ball in SoFi Stadium. Of course, Mark says yes, because that's the kind of crazy stuff that he likes to do. But once he realizes that there is someone else out there who really likes engineering, and he finds this kid who's amazing at engineering. He literally got on local news, and Mark Rober, his favorite YouTuber. So naturally, he's gotta go make his day. Anyway, this kid does so much testing and so much of the work. Of course, Mark goes out and does all the building, but the kid, he designs the parachute system. He makes like a parachute system for the t-shirt and all that. He makes like all these crazy stuff. He does so much testing, and it's not even for him, it's for Mark Rober's channel. Of course, that kid probably got a lot of publicity out of that. But yeah, it's just amazing to see when someone is just so dedicated to a project, they can just make it happen. They can just will it into existence. And I think that is so awesome. If you want to see all the capabilities of this thing, to see all the, I don't know, do perfect trick shots and all the crazy stuff they did with that cannon, you can check out Mark's video. If you want to know how that kid got on the news. So yeah, I'm just gonna get that out there. I'm not being endorsed and I'm not sponsoring these channels in any way. I just think they're awesome, and I wanted to share some of these great engineering projects with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you think this video earned it. If you don't think this video earned it, you don't have to, but like, if you want to see more of this kind of content, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell. You can see when new stuff comes out. Anyway, I'm STEM Mod. Have an excellent day.